Zhongqing Group. But they are allowed to deal with directly to the manufacturer who is in Pakistan, and as well as I am also a big buyer at that time to buying the engine and parts and components for the motorcycle. But end of 2009, they have started their own office in Karachi, and they have stopped my agreement, which is a sole agency agreement. Immediately I realized that I should have to continue this business. Then I started my own company in this place. I am working here from 2009, now is 2020. So it means almost 11 years I am working in this office. Well, in 1993, let me tell you something is truth. Chongqing is not developed on that time. Millions of motorcycles as well as the especially bicycle is going from left to right and right to left. Very few people have a car, right? When I have an agreement signed with the Zhongqing Group, at that time even they did not have a proper car to bring the guest from their hotel to their factory and drop back to the hotel, right? They have to get the permission, and I don't know how to manage the car, this and that. That time, the people have really not so many facilities in Chongqing. But my sharp eyes is always giving me the indication that this people is really magic people. The future of China is growing very fast.
Tian Feifei, the manager of the company, has worked with Harley for more than 10 years. She speaks highly of Harley's hard working and commitment.
Most of them come from Southeast Asia for motorcycle spare parts business, because Chongqing is one of the largest manufacturing base of such products. Mr. Khalid's company belongs to family business. He was a very hard-working person in our eyes. Sometimes we go to the factory to talk about business, and he was working by himself even when temperature was upward of 40 degrees Celsius, and he doesn't even take time off for lunch.
然后都要在那儿谈事情什么的，都很用心。
I started from the exhibition from Guangzhou. Guangzhou. Yes, Guangzhou, every year I am going there in the Guangzhou exhibition, and I saw that many good manufacturer, maybe 20 manufacturer is over there, and I discuss each and every one, right? And then I am looking all the models, which model is suitable for the Pakistan market. At that time, nobody is manufacturing which is suitable for the Pakistan market. Jialing is making, but the Jialing is making similar. Many things I have changed in the engine, but Jialing is a little bit slow comparison to the Zhongqing. So that is the reason I quit my sole agency agreement with the Jialing, and I joined to the Zhongqing Group. But they are fast. This is true. Yeah. Because that is a private company, and boss himself, Mr. Zhao Zhongqing, is so much conscious, and their team is really also very much conscious. I met his whole family, right? And these people is really listen what the buyer need, which kind of requirement we need, and they are follow that one. So that is the reason Zhongqing is going not like this way. Zhongqing is going like this way. And the two-wheeler motorcycle we have developed ourselves, right? Because last 2 years we are working on this, right? This is the situation I love. Chongqing. This is true. No matter wherever I go to China, but the Chongqing is the best place for living. Weather is good, food is good, and the people is so sincere, so nice, so friendly and hard worker. Honest people. Chongqing people is really nice people.
Khalid spends most of his time in China since his core businesses have been running here. Despite his tight schedules, Khalid tries to visit his family members and friends in Pakistan as often as possible, especially on holidays.
Well, I have 3 sons and 2 daughters, and all is married, all is doing very well. I have a very beautiful and big family and enjoying each and everything, right? Every year I am going at least 3 to 4 times to Pakistan, especially in Eid. No matter Meethi Eid or Bakra Eid, I am going to Pakistan. In my life, this is the first time I expand my Eid festival in China. The reason is that lockdown. There is no plane is available. There is a big issue for the coronavirus. There is a big issue for lockdown. There is a big issue, so many things. So my mother is saying to me to stay in place where you are and save yourself.
Khalid's wife complains sometimes, but her company is always there.
Of course, wife is always wife. We call wife is a home minister, right? So she is complaining to me, especially, nowadays she is complaining because since last almost 1 year, I did not go back to Pakistan. Every year I said to you that 3 or 4 times I am going back to Pakistan for 15 days, for 10 days, for 20 days, according to the requirement. But this year I did not go because of the coronavirus. So a little bit, she is complaining to me. But thank God we all is safe. Nobody is have a problem in my family about the corona or any disease or any problem. Now, as far as concerned my wife, yes, sometimes she love to come to China, but she is always facing a problem because here in China, she did not have so many friends, right? Language issue is a big issue. 1 week she is so happy. After 10 days, she is thinking about her grandchildren, right? And after 15 days, she have pushed me to send her back. So this is a problem because she don't want to do everyday shopping. You have to do the shopping in some limited, right? You have to go outside some limited, right? And after that, nothing you have. Either you have to watch the television, which is a Chinese language, or you can go outside, what you do outside. So she preferred to go back. So this is the issue you can say for her. But it's okay. It's okay. Sometimes she like to come. Just on this month, not this month, now is November, October, I have my birthday. So I have invited some Pakistanis also some my friends, Chinese. Most of that is a Chinese friend and my joint venture partner, vendors, and they are visited to my birthday party. We have every year I have that party, and every year they are coming and enjoying.
Living in Chongqing for nearly 27 years, Khalid is now accustomed to the Chongqing food and enjoys his life in China.
Pakistani people love to spicy food, but I am not the one like them to eat a lot of spicy. But after come to China, Chongqing, I slowly and gradually used to spicy food. Chongqing, I feel that just like for me is a paradise, to be honest. I have been each and every place in China. From I have drive the car from Chongqing to Xinjiang province. More than 12 years before I got the driving license, and I have whatever the one Chinese people have. I have that in China. Is not available because yesterday I have been in a one manufacturer and they need the parts. So I bring the sample from here to there, right? That parts is crankshaft. Crankshaft we are manufacturing.